How many 2-minute trades have you made now?
Well, since I switched, I stopped tracking at 225 on my initial setup. And then once I switched over to your new indicator, I'm already at about 186, I think, as of yesterday. And one thing that I have noticed is that my profit percentages have gone up.
So using the indicator versus just us doing it?
Yes, sir. And I think now that I'm getting a little bit more comfortable with
Yep.
the resistance lines and all of that, I can see if it's just a little bit of a breathe back or if it's actually a reversal. And
Yeah,
so percentages have gone up.
that's awesome. So before you had 225 and now you said 185?
186. I need to update because I think I have just over that, but in my spreadsheet I have about 186 right now.
So by the way, everybody, for those math wizards, that's over 400 trades back testing my 2-minute EWO strategy. And do you know what your success rate is on that?
Out of the 186 that I had tracked, I've only done 3 break evens, and then I think I had like 4 losses because I'm going in more often now.
Right. So 186 that you tracked, you had 4 losses.
Yeah.
Using
And
the
those
2-minute
all came in
EWO.
the beginning of the morning. So it's breaking my little rule, but I'm trying to get more familiar with the first 30 to 45 minutes.
So did you guys catch that? For you math wizards, by the way, that's over a 96% success rate using my 2-minute EWO strategy, by the way, in case
98,
in case
98%.
And like right now, before I would have got out, but I'm seeing your indicator, I'm following my little rules, and I'm still sitting in the Apple calls right now.
Yep, nice job. Yeah, it's still going to the upside. There's no reason to get out of that.